Ready, start. The court has to exercise its judicial discretion while ensuring that the claimants get a fair market value of the acquired land with statutory and permissible benefits. Stop. Keeping in view the scheme of the Act and the interpretation which these provisions have received in the past, it is difficult even to comprehend that there is possibility of providing any straitjacket formula which can be treated as panacea to resolve all controversies uniformly in relation to determination of the value of the acquired land. Stop. This essentially must depend upon the facts and circumstances of each case. Stop. It is settled principle of law that the onus to prove entitlement to receive higher compensation is upon the claimants. Stop. In response to the arguments of the landowners, learned Advocate General Haryana submitted that the learned court below has failed to consider the material placed on record by the state in the form of sale deeds, wide which big chunks of land were sold at an average price of rupees 180,000 to rupees 187,000 per acre. Stop. The land pertaining thereto is situated in close vicinity of the acquired land. Stop. However, these sale deeds produced by the state were not considered only for the reason that vendors and the vendees had not been produced. Stop. However, keeping in view the judgment of Honorable the Supreme Court, such a view expressed by the learned court below cannot stand judicial scrutiny, and if the sale deeds produced by the state are considered, the value of the land as determined by the learned court below would require substantial reduction. What to talk of increase as is sought to be claimed by the landowners. Stop. Where the lands acquired are of different type and different locations, averaging is not permissible. Stop. But where there are several sales of similar lands, more or less at the same time, whose prices have marginal variation, averaging thereof is permissible. Stop. For the purpose of fixation of fair and reasonable market value of any type of land, abnormally high value or abnormally low value sales should be carefully discarded. Stop. If the number of sale deeds of the same locality and the same period with short intervals are available, the average price of the available number of sale deeds shall be considered as a fair and reasonable market price. Stop. Ultimately, it is in the interest of justice for the land losers to be awarded fair compensation. Stop.